how to join someone with joins off in Roblox. So the first thing that we want to do is go to Google and search for this restore old Roblox server list. So just Google search for this. Open up the first link. You will see that it has high ratings, so it's completely, safe. Click on add to Chrome, add extension here, and it should be installed like so. After we have done this, we want to go back to Roblox here and refresh the page just so the extension starts working. And let's say that we want to join this person, but they have their joins off, just as an example. So we want to click on the person's name and we want to copy it. So just copy this username here that says @ and in this case it's car clicker. So I'm going to right click and copy this. Now what we want to do is go back here and click on our extensions list right here in the top. So click on the extensions puzzle piece and click on restore old Roblox server. Now we will enable this auto search and we want to paste their username right here. So I'm going to right click and paste car clicker. So after you have done this, we can click anywhere and they're playing this game. So we want to see which game they're playing. So in our case, it's going to be the pool rooms experience. So we want to search for this game right here, the pool rooms experience in experiences. So hopefully it shows up. Okay, so this is the game that they're playing. So what we want to do is click on the game itself and then go to servers here. And if our friend is in any of those servers here, now make sure that this is enabled here like I just showed you. So car clicker and player server list. So if they are in this server here and they have their joins off, they will appear like so right here and you will be able to actually join them. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub and I'll see you next time.